Hey YouTube, here's the 3.5 briggs I took apart, and just because I was bored, I guess. And look at these wonderful bearings. Lots of little pits and ridges. And there's a valve lifter. Valve. Oil slinger. Here's the camshaft. It's cast iron. Not like this new plastic crap. And this oil seal is bad. I don't know how to get it out, so if anyone knows how to get these out, you could just post a comment or whatever. And here's the crankshaft. This one seems like it might be usable. I think someone ran it without oil one time. Just because, like, look at this, why else? If you hear a sound like this, that's just this piece of angle iron I was going to try to put the scooter engine onto my bike. So yeah. I mean, it still looks like I could use it. If I can, I don't know, I might not be able to use it even. But the black is good anyway, I know that. So, like, maybe I just need a new connecting rod and crankshaft. Maybe just a connecting rod. Or I was thinking of putting automotive bearings on here. But, I don't know. I don't know how that would work out. Maybe if they're cheap, I'll just do that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. These rings are like new. Look at this. It's crazy. Just looks like a new engine. This stupid cat. Look at this dumb cat. It has to spill all the cups over. Anyway. There you go. You can hardly feel this. I mean, I can't even really feel that. So I think maybe the crankshaft's usable, but definitely not this. I have to fix this. Maybe with an automotive bearing. I don't know. Alright, anyway. Don't want to make this video way too long. Like I probably did. But there you go.